Hi, I am Anna. I am telling you daily yoga routine for beginners is an excellent way to introduce yoga into your life and experience its numerous physical and mental benefits. This routine is designed to be simple, accessible, and suitable for those who are new to yoga. It focuses on gentle stretches, relaxation, and mindfulness. You can follow along with the instructions provided in video, and feel free to modify the poses to suit your individual needs. Introduction. Before you begin, find a quiet and comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. Wear comfortable clothing, and have a yoga mat or a soft surface to practice on. You may also want to have a yoga block or cushion nearby for added support. Before I am starting, please subscribe my YouTube channel Raza Amaral and please press bell button. So let's starting guys and girls, here your tips. 1. Start with centering, 2 minutes. Sit down in a comfortable cross-legged position with your hands on your knees. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths to relax. Bring your awareness to your breath. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Focus on your breath and let go of any distractions or thoughts. 2. Neck and shoulder rolls, 1 minute. Gently roll your neck in a circular motion, first clockwise and then counterclockwise. Roll your shoulders forward and backward to release tension. 3. Cat-cow stretch, 2 minutes. Come to a tabletop position with your hands under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Inhale as you arch your back, lifting your head and tailbone, cow pose. Exhale as you round your back, tucking your chin, cat pose. Repeat this flow for a minute, syncing your movements with your breath. 4. Downward dog, 2 minutes. From the tabletop position, tuck your toes and lift your hips, coming into an inverted V shape. Press your palms into the mat and extend your legs, keeping a slight bend in the knees if needed. Hold the pose for a minute, stretching your back and hamstrings. 5. Child's pose, 1 minute. From downward dog, lower your knees to the mat, sit back on your heels, and extend your arms forward. Rest your forehead on the mat and relax in child's pose. 6. Forward fold, 2 minutes. Stand up and come to the front of your mat. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, and exhale as you fold forward. Bend your knees if necessary and let your head hang. Hold the pose for a minute, feeling a stretch in your hamstrings and lower back. 7. Standing half forward fold, 1 minute. Inhale and come halfway up, placing your hands on your shins or thighs for support. Keep your back straight and neck in line with your spine. 8. Mountain pose, 1 minute. Inhale and slowly roll up to a standing position, reaching your arms overhead. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart, grounding through your feet. 9. Warrior Eye, 2 minutes. Step your left foot back and rotate it slightly outward. Bend your right knee over your ankle and raise your arms overhead. Keep your hips square and gaze forward. Hold the pose for a minute on each side. 10. Tree pose, 2 minutes. Shift your weight onto your left foot and place your right foot on your inner left thigh. Bring your hands to your heart center and find your balance. Hold the pose for a minute on each side. 11. Seated forward fold, 2 minutes. Sit down with your legs extended in front of you. Inhale and reach your arms up, and exhale as you fold forward. Hold the pose for a minute, feeling the stretch in your hamstrings and lower back. 12. Bridge pose, 2 minutes. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet hip-width apart. Press your feet into the mat and lift your hips off the ground. Hold the pose for a minute, engaging your glutes and core. 13. Supine twist, 2 minutes. Lie on your back with your arms extended to the sides. Bend your knees and drop them to one side while keeping your shoulders grounded. Hold the pose for a minute on each side. 14. Corpse pose, 2 minutes. Lie on your back with your legs extended and arms by your sides. Close your eyes and focus on your breath, allowing your body to completely relax. Conclusion. Take a few moments to reflect on your practice and express gratitude for the time you've dedicated to your well-being. This 15-minute daily yoga routine for beginners is a great way to start or end your day, and with consistent practice, you'll experience increased flexibility, reduced stress, and improved overall health. Remember that yoga is about progress, not perfection, so be patient with yourself as you develop your practice. Thanks for you are watching my channel. Please subscribe my channel Raza Amaral. I am Anna, and take care yourself and also care yours nearest surrounding people. Thanks. Once more again, please subscribe my channel Raza Amaral. Thanks, bye. See you again, love you all.